Good morning, Standard 5. I am going to continue chapter 6, Plant Reproduction and Agriculture. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about dispersal of seed and its type. So let us see about dispersal of seed. The scattering of seed from its original place to other by different medium. Medium is known as dispersal of seed. So dear student, let us understand what do you mean by dispersal of seed. The scattering means transfer of seed from its original place to other place by different medium, and the mediums are natural medium. So see here, the scattering of seed from its original place. Original place means place of growth. Place of growth to other place. To other by different medium. By different medium is known as dispersal of seed. And the mediums like air, water, animals, explosion, bird. These are the medium by which seeds are being transferred from one place to other. Dear student, seeds are being transferred or being scattered from one place to other by different mediums. Wind, explosion, animals, bird, water, these are the medium. Now I am going to explain you about type of dispersal of seed. Dear students, dispersal of seed are of four types. Dispersal of seed by wind, dispersal of seed by water, dispersal of seed by animals, and dispersal of seed by explosion. So let us see first type of the dispersal of seed by wind. Dispersal by wind. of seeds are very light and have wings or fine hair. Wings or fine hair on them. These seeds are easily carried by wind. Example like cotton seeds, dandelion seed, and sycamore seed. So dear students, let us know about dispersal by wind. Some of the seeds are very light. They can easily be carried by wind. Also they have fine hair or small wing type of structure. And these wings or fine hair help the seed to easily transfer from one place to other by the pressure of wind. Such seeds are cotton seed, dandelion seeds, and sycamore seed, dear students. These type of seeds have wings or fine hairs, and by the pressure of the wind they are being carried from one place to other. Next I am going to explain you dispersal by water. Some of plants grow in and around water bodies. Water bodies. Seeds and fruits of these plants are carried by pressure of water. Example, coconut seeds and lotus seeds. So dear student, dispersal of seed by the help of water. Some of the plant used to grow in and around the water body, and seed and fruit of these plants are being easily carried by pressure of water. For an example, coconut. Coconut from externally fine hairs and internally hollow, which make float coconut above the surface of the water. And by the help of water pressure, coconut disperse or it is being scattered from one place to other. Same as lotus. Lotus seed are spongy from outside and easily float on the surface of the water and transferred from one place to other, dear student. So two type of the seeds are being easily carried by the or it is being transferred by the water, coconut seed and lotus seed, dear student. Next I am going to explain you about dispersal by animals. Seeds have hooks, spines or stiff hair. On them. These seeds stick to the hair of animal's body bodies feather of birds and also to our clothes. These seeds are carried by animals. Example like Xanthium, Tigris clone, dear student, you see dispersal by animal. Some of seeds have hooks. Outside the seed, hooks like structure, which make them to stick to the hair of animals or feather of birds or clothes of ours, and they stick to our body, and with us they are being transferred from one place to other. So these seeds have hooks, spine or stiff hair on them, and these hooks or stiff hair make them to stick to our body and along with us transferred from one place to other. Next I am going to explain you dispersal by explosion. ripe and they used to burst. Due to the pressure of the burst, seed are being dispersed or being thrown far from their original place, and this is known as dispersal by explosion. Many plants have the fruits which used to burst after they mature and ripe. For an example, like balsam. So dear students, dispersal by the explosion. Certain type of fruits they used to burst, and due to the pressure of the burst, seed are being thrown or transferred from its original place to other. For example, like balsam and pea, the fruit used to burst after ripen. So dear students, these are the type of the dispersal of seed. So please you read it and learn the topic. Thank you dear students.